sunset, a flavor of a memory.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I am sharing with you guys part 2 of my clean and decorating for fall series. So I have so far done my sister's house, I have shown my house, and now I'm doing my master bedroom and guest bathroom. Those are the last 2 spots in my home that I am decorating for fall. And honestly, I chose to decorate these spaces because I had a little bit of leftover pieces that I could use in these spaces. So a lot of what I used in my master bedroom was a lot of Dollar Tree pieces that I had left over. And so the little autumn blessing sign, that is from the Dollar Tree. The 2 little pumpkins were from the Dollar Tree. And the flowers, I believe, were from Walmart last year. But all of this, like I said, was left over. I didn't use it in my kitchen or in my living room. So I thought it would look perfect in here. Moving on to my husband's side, you can see it's already much more simple than my side. It has just a picture frame. He doesn't like to have too much stuff over there. I could just see him knocking over a bunch of things if I try to do that. And so his side is a lot more simple, and I just ended up putting a pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, is that beige one, and then the orange one actually came in a set of pumpkins I had bought from Hobby Lobby. So I love how the dresser turned out, just with adding a few little things to give it that fall touch. That Gather with Grateful Hearts little sign was from Dollar Tree last year, and then I had this little vase where I added a pick from Hobby Lobby, I believe I got that from, and I just love the colors on that pick and that it has the little pumpkin. And this glass pumpkin I got at TJ Maxx last year, and I absolutely love it. And then the Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed sign is from the Dollar Tree. I didn't have to do too much cleaning on this day. I just went ahead and dusted the nightstands as I was decorating and dusted the dresser, and then all I had to do to finish off was vacuum the carpet. I had already made the bed that morning, which is why you didn't see me making the bed. And it does have that autumn pillow. That was from a set of throw pillow covers that I bought on Amazon. It came in a set of 4, and 3 of them are in the living room, and I decided to put 1 in here because I thought it would just add a little bit of fall to the room. Moving on into my guest bathroom, I don't like to do too much in here just because the space is small, and there is a lot I want to change to this bathroom that I'm not doing right now, like changing out the curtain and the rugs and just adding a few things just to change up the look in here a little bit. But for now, I went ahead and added a few little touches of fall since I had things left over. But first, I wanted to give the bathroom a quick wipe down.
Bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But forget will you take, only take it.
So I have this hotel-like looking towel rack in my guest bathroom that honestly I do not like, and I would like to get changed out for a shelf soon. But for the time being, I decided to go ahead and add on top of this galvanized pitcher that I had with some leftover fall florals. And then I had these little pumpkins. One I think was from the Dollar Tree. Another was another orange one that I had from a set from Hobby Lobby. And then the burlap one was also from the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I was having a hard time getting them up there, but I was kind of trying to put them in like a little pile to see if I could just get them to stay. Eventually I got them to stay, but this was actually the weekend when my in-laws were coming into town, and I think my mother-in-law said the white one ended up falling. So I have to fix that just to make sure that they don't fall from there. But the reason I put them up there was just because I didn't want a bunch of clutter on the sink counter, because I had something else that I wanted to add. As you can see here, a little gold pumpkin and a little green one. And looking back now at this video, I think it's funny that I had this leftover sign and it says "Friends gather here" in the bathroom. I don't know, maybe it's just me being silly, but friends don't gather in the bathroom. But it was just a leftover sign that I had, so I wanted to just have that somewhere, and this was the only spot that I could just figure out putting it. And as you can see, I'm like trying to figure out, do I put it on top of the toilet? And then I said no. Then if the little glass pumpkins fall, I could just see that breaking, so I decided to leave them up here on the sink. So now I'm just finishing scrubbing out the toilet. I had let the toilet bowl cleaner sit in here for a little bit and just do its work.
It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day.
So these towels, it's just something that I am over, and I'm hoping I can get to the stores and find something that I like to change it out. I have not found anything the last few times that I've been to Target, and I'm just looking for some towels that I will like to change this out because I am over these. These have been up for a long time now, and so I just went ahead and fixed them up since I really did not have the choice of changing them out right now. I just left them here, but that's all I'm doing here. And you saw me wipe down that wall because there was like a splatter of toothpaste and stuff that I'm not sure how it got there. You would think my kids use this bathroom, but they don't. But I wiped down the wall, and then I just finished off the bathroom with cleaning the floor. So I ended up finding this white ceramic owl that I added here, and I thought it was really cute because people say that owls are very fall-like, and this was something that I already had, so I added it. And then there's my friends gather here sign in my guest bathroom. And that was all I did in here. I just wanted to add a little pop of fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are looking for some more fall inspiration, I'm going to go ahead and leave my fall clean and decorate with me, where I decorated my living room and my kitchen. So go ahead and click on that video, and I will see you in the next one.